Hey everyone, I'm so excited to present you our new onboarding sales playbook for digital marketing agency, where you can find all the strategies, tips and tricks, cutting edge ideas, how to switch from transactional to SaaS business and hit first 10K in your monthly recurring revenue with your new loyalty product. So let's begin. This board exists a lot of information like a link canvas, comparison with our competitors, competitive landscape, information regarding our market and our business with the insights and charts of our growth, all information about the product in terms of how to use it, promotional videos, onboarding, walkthrough videos, and etc. My personal story, how I switched from transactional to SaaS business as well. Agency ROI Calculator, I really engage you and ask you to watch this ROI calculator and understand the potential profit of this product. I believe you will be absolutely excited to learn this information. Next, information regarding loyalty ROI calculator for your clients, for local businesses, sales decks, knowledge base, ideal customer profile, case studies, sales funnel, with the all breakdown, how to generate leads, sign up them, nutrition them, and after close them. Quick start guide, jobs to be done, quick wins for agencies, quick wins for SMBs, roadmap, paid, done for you setup and onboarding. If you do not want to invest your time in settings, we can do all the things for you. Use cases, how to use this product and sell this tool for food and beverage, health and wellness, retail, hospitality, medicine, and professional services with my pro tips about how to design loyalty strategy for any business niche without any problems. Next one, sales strategies. I explain in 25 plus sales strategies how to deliver this product to your clients, how to build your pipeline. Next one, my discovery calls that I made and I did for my prospects, and you could get recordings of them. Facebook ads creatives, design assets to customize your dashboard with Figma templates, client onboarding workflow and business process that you could just easily repeat and onboard your customers predictably and without any problems. Pro tips for really experienced guys who want to grow more from 0 to 50K MRR in 13th month. This is actually my breakdown and my strategy to do that. Information for LinkedIn outreach, some prompts, and email templates to clients nutrition. All this information available right now, and let's go ahead. My recommendation on it, first of all, is to read all information from the board. Next one, ask any questions anytime if you have something. Book one-to-one training call with our marketing loyalty experts to tailor this strategy, especially for your agency. And as a result, you're ready to skyrocket your new product and generate your monthly recurring revenue. Thank you so much and see you soon.